What's up guys, and welcome to Oppo Education's daily tech tips. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to take a screenshot on your Oppo A95. Now, this is a relatively new phone in the Oppo lineup, but it's pretty much how to take a screenshot on any Oppo phone. Now, the first method I'll show you is the default Android way of taking screenshots. And of course, because this is an Android phone, the default way of taking a screenshot is using the Android method of taking screenshots. And that, of course, is the power plus volume down combination. Fortunately for this phone, the power button and the volume rockers are on different sides, so it's going to be extremely easy to take a screenshot. And so all you need to do is press the power button and the volume down button together simultaneously and just press them once. And a screenshot will be taken. You can see the thumbnail there. It's going to stay there for a few seconds and disappear and get saved to your gallery. Now you can act on it immediately if you want to. Simply tap on it before it disappears. And from here, you can be able to edit that screenshot. You can resize it. You can change the shape. And you can even draw your own shape for the screenshot. For instance, if you want a triangular screenshot, you can do exactly that. And it's going to capture for you a triangular screenshot. And once you're done, simply tap on the tick icon in the top and your screenshot is saved. Now to access the screenshots, simply go to the Photos app and you should find the screenshots right there. Alternatively, you can go into Albums and find the Screenshots folder, and that's where all your screenshots are going to be stored. Now that's one way to take a screenshot on your Oppo A95. But since you're running ColorOS, there are of course specific ways you can take a screenshot on any Oppo phone that's running ColorOS. And before you can attempt those, make sure they're enabled. So go to Settings, and then you want to go to Convenience Tools, tap on that, and then go to Screenshot. And as you can see, the 3-finger swipe down method of taking a screenshot is turned on, and also the 3-finger touch and hold method for defining your own screenshot has been turned on. Now once you're sure those are turned on, you can also take a screenshot using the 3-finger swipe down, just like that. You can see it takes a normal screenshot. I'm going to do that again, 3 fingers, swipe down, and it's going to take a screenshot. Now also the 3-finger touch and hold basically draws for you this little rectangle, which you can resize and place it exactly over the area you want to screenshot. You can also change the shape of that into a circle, or even draw your own shape once again for a screenshot. And once you're happy, simply tap on the done icon there and the screenshot will be saved in your gallery. Now sometimes you want to take a scrolling screenshot, especially if you're in a page that you can scroll. For instance, the settings page is scrollable. You might want to take a screenshot of a scrollable page. Now simply take a screenshot in any of the ways you want to. For instance, you can use the power and volume down method. And before that disappears, tap on scroll. And from here, you can see it's already scrolling automatically. You can choose exactly where you want your screenshot to reach. For instance, if I want mine to get up to there, I'll stop there and I'll tap on done. And as you can see, that's my scrolling screenshot. So from here, I can share, edit, or simply tap on done to save it in my gallery. And that's basically how to take screenshots on your Oppo A95. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.